ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಕುಣಬಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ 10 ಸಾಲಿನ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ is Today is 5th September and we are celebrating Teachers' Day. This day honors the contribution of teachers to education and society. It is also the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a prominent educator and the second President of India. Dr. Radhakrishnan believed that teachers play a crucial role in shaping the future of students. On this day, students express their gratitude and respect for their teachers. Teachers' Day serves as a reminder of the importance of education. India is celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th September since 1962. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Jai Hind. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and share my channel. Thanks for watching Kunubi Brothers.